This is the reason that somebody would want to hire a drunk driving specialist, somebody who is exclusively in this field. They want somebody who understands not only what went on, but what should have gone on from the police's perspective. One of the big things about our firm is the ability to recognize and understand what the police officer should have done. We are trained to the same standards as the police officers, but even more importantly, we paid attention because most police officers are not doing their job the way that they were trained. So it is very important to have an attorney who understands how the police officer should be conducting any kind of investigation or arrest. It involves a detailed review of every piece of evidence that we can get through the discovery process to establish one, potentially multiple defenses, to come to the conclusion as to whether scientifically or legally evidence needs to be excluded from consideration, whether that's at evidential hearings or even possibly at a trial, or whether there's enough legal or scientific justification to completely have the case dismissed. It is very important that you hire an attorney that understands what is and is not in the evidence, because that attorney is going to have to use their skill and expertise to not only defend your case, but in many ways educate the prosecutor, the police agencies, the judge, and potentially the jury as to what actually is going on in these cases. Most prosecutors, judges, jurors, and police officers, even though they may have some familiarity with drunk driving, much of what they know is based on speculation or misinformation. It is very important that they have somebody who understands what is really going on so that they can have the best defense available and end up with the best result available.